Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we make the font size bigger than 72. So what happens is, let's suppose this is the word, okay, people, okay. Now you want to make this size bigger than 72. So what we usually used to do is we just click on this arrow and we'll click on 72. And what if you want to make this size more bigger, okay, from here till here. So for that, if you click here, then we don't have any numbers more than 72. So in such case, we will just click on this box. Now you can enter the number here. I'm writing 100 and then press enter. So you can see, similarly again, if you want to make it more bigger, just enter here again 150, enter. So this way guys, you can enter the numbers and you can make the text more bigger than 72. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.